So I was using the Word, Excel, and all. So now, with the help of all these tools like Canva, the Notebook LM, and Napkin, I'm creating out of the box kind of a thing. We have got some LED walls on the road, which are connected on the road. That are huge LED walls. So I displayed those pictures on that LED walls.
This is amazing, Sam. Truly out of the box creativity.
So like recently, I have prepared this.
Oh wow. Oh, this is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. I think
So
this is
kids
going.
notice, kids learn, be the example. Especially the management is very happy. The site presidents, the cluster presidents, the residents of the Reliance Greens, they are very happy. They are thinking that now now the team JMD traffic has come up with something new.
So, hi Sayam, welcome. I welcome you. I welcome you to the Beat and X program. So, Sayam, please introduce yourself.
So, my name is Sanyam Naramdeo and I'm from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. I started my career by joining SIS, that is Security and Intelligence Services India Limited. So, after the basic training at Jharkhand, Gadwa, I got my first posting in Mumbai, that is Hotel Oberoi, Mumbai. So, I was there as an assistant security manager and I worked there for almost 2 years. Then I got an opportunity to join my current company, which is Reliance Industries Limited. We all know very well the name. So I joined here at 2011, and initially I was in Mumbai, the mother plant of Reliance, that is Patal Ganga. So I was there for almost 5 years, and then after getting my first promotion as manager, I got my second posting in Kakinada, which is situated in Andhra Pradesh. So I was there as a manager, shifts manager security.
I am just curious, Sayam. So, you mentioned that you used all of these tools, but if you did not have these tools, how long it would have taken you to do the same thing?
I can't even imagine because earlier I used to create those text based circulars, text based posters and all. So I was using the Word, Excel, and all. So now, with the help of all these tools like Canva, the Notebook LM, and Napkin, I'm creating out of the box kind of a thing.
So how long did it take you to complete this project that you were saying talking about?
So, like currently, I'm using the tool Grock. So
Mhm.
I didn't hear about that before because I don't know why. But currently, like if my chief of security told me that Sayam, we have to made a circular on like we should implement a helmet for all the kids inside the township, inside our residence. So I prepared, I give a prompt to Grok that create me a picture, a child wearing a helmet, and also the parents are wearing the helmet while while driving motorcycle. So pillion rider should also wear helmet. So that is kind of a message I prompt I given. So it is given me a beautiful picture. Then I use ChatGPT to create some text, some meme kind of a text over it, or I use it Canva to text something on like meme kind of a thing on that particular picture, and I release those circular. Even we have got some LED walls on the road, which are connected on the road. That are huge LED walls. So I displayed those pictures on that LED walls.
This is amazing, Sam. Truly out of the box creativity.
So like recently, I have prepared this.
Oh wow. Oh, this is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. I think
So
this is
kids
going.
notice, kids learn, be the example.
Oh, this is amazing. I think I'll ask my team to put this in the thumbnail.
And this one.
Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing. I think this is really nice. This is really nice, I am.
So on
And
the left side, this is the logo of my organization. That is Reliance GCS, and this is the logo of Reliance Greens, which is the platinum rated township of Reliance.
Okay, okay. I've heard a lot about Jamnagar, but I've never heard it in so much detail.
Yes, yes. So this kind of pictures I was preparing with helmet, without helmet.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is amazing. And see, that's the use of AI. We could never have drawn such good images, but AI makes it so easy.
Yes, sir.
Oh, this is amazing. Oh, this is the meme type of text that you was talking about.
Yes, sir. And we are, also providing the deadline for the implementation. Let's achieve this endeavor by 25th June 2025.
Oh, that's nice. That's really nice.
We care for our children. Jai Hind.
That's amazing. I think it's a really brilliant initiative, and I think you've taken it to the right level and to the next level. I'm pretty sure that your co-workers and some of your seniors must be very much in your awe. That Sayam, how are you able to do all of this so quickly?
Yes, sir.
So Sayam, this is absolutely amazing. Tell me, how has the response been from your colleagues and your seniors?
Especially the management is very happy. The site presidents, the cluster presidents, the residents of the Reliance Greens, they are very happy. They are thinking that now the team JMT traffic has come up with something new,
And
something innovative.
no, no, that's really nice. See, it's because you took the initiative, you use the tools as they can be used, which is why you've got that result. So Sayam,
Because earlier what happens, if you talk about the traffic department, it was taken very lightly. Nobody take it seriously.
Mhm.
But now, as we have come up with all these ideas, now the people are very serious. They are adhering to the traffic rules.
So Sayam, anything that you would like to say to people who are thinking about joining a mastery course?
They should join because it's the future. It's the future.
True, 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 true. It is the future, and we also hope that people, they learn how to apply AI in their day-to-day lives, because it will save them so much efficiency and will bring them so much more happiness and better well-being.
Because actually the people over here with people with I'm working, they also got amazed कि ये संयम को हो क्या रहा है यार आजकल, ये क्या कर रहा है ये डेली कुछ ना कुछ बम फोड़ता रहता है बोले.
Yeah, so that's a positive thing. See, it has positively affected your life and the lives of people around you.
Yes, sir.
That this has been amazing, Sayam. That's very nice, Sayam. Really amazing hearing from you. Is there anything else that you would like to share with us?
No, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, and just
You are absolutely welcome, Sayam, and all the very best for your future. Thank you very much.
thank you so much, sir. Thank you.